it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am in the kitchen today sharing some tips for how to be a little more productive and organized in your kitchen. And this is a cooking tip. Sometimes we make recipes that call for lots of spices. And we go into the cabinet or the drawer, we put all the spices out, we start to measure. This is all good, but then sometimes we lose track. Wait, did I put that spice in or didn't I? So here's my tip. Put all your spices out. Keep the lids closed. When you measure them, open the lid. Or if you're gonna dip a spoon in, remove the lid. And then, once you've used it, set it aside with the lid open. Pick up your next one. Open the lid, measure what you need, put it aside with the lid open. Do this until you've used all of your spices, and you'll know at a glance the ones that have the lids open you've already used, and the ones whose lids are shut you have not. This may save you if you're making a recipe like a complicated chili where you have lots of spices and you won't have to throw it all out and start again. A tiny tip, but it might help you to be more productive in your kitchen.